Lapit yung mic.
First Samuel, second Samuel, first King, second King, first Chronicles, second Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Obadiah, Jonah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi.
Hey.
Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. One go. Okay na? Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 King, 2 King, 1 Chronicles, 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zechariah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 King, 2 Kings, 1 Chronicles, 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, Malachi.
Hindi ka pa tapos.
Don't leave me. Go. I want to be with you. I'm sorry.
One more. Study like read.
Okay.
This one. What is this? No, this one. Do you look here?
Monkey.
Very good. This one.
Ripan.
This one. Tiger. Tiger.
Monkey.
This one. Parrot. Tiger.
Tiger.
What's this?
Pilot.
Parrot. This one.
Very
Very good. This one. What's that?
Black.
Frog. Okay, what is this? Whale. This one.
Baby whale.
A dolphin.
Looking.
Okay, here. Whoa, what's this? What's this? Oh, what is this?
Cow.
How about this?
Sheep.
Sheep or lamb.
Lamb.
This one.
Chicken.
Chicken. This one. Pig.
Duck.
Chick.
Pig.
This one or dog? Oh, this one. What is this?
Lovely.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
This one. Koala.
Banana.
Alligator.
Alligator.
This one. What's this?
Deep.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
This one.
Tiger.
Lion.
Yellow.
This one. What's this again? Do you know this? What's this again? Zip. Zebra. Oh, again. What is this? What's this? Snake. Where's the snake? Okay, goodbye now. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Love you. Sige, love you.
Very blue. Very one. This lang.
Okay, no.
Bye bye, Papa. Bye bye, baby. Ganon. And Molly. Mama, what? Yeah. Oh, yung Papa no.
Ang lamig pala.
Meron ka po. Rina.
Parang ganito lang yung pamo na baywang na aking ginagalaw, aking ginagalaw, aking ginagalaw. Ako ay may baywang na aking ginagalaw. Salamat
Ako na.
sa pa.
Again, count again. 1,
7.
very good. Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello po.
Hello.
Hello po. Hello, Moses.
Hi.
Hello po.
Hello.
They are I warn from. So dyan pa lang sa verse na yan, pinapaalala sa atin ang ating Diyos, ang ating Mayroon.
aking nadarama. Pag-ibig mo tunay, di ba sinasabi ang aking hiling? Iyong pinibigay, hindi ko pa iniisip. Ikaw ang aking kalakasan sa tuwing nanghihina. Walang malapitan, hindi matumbasan ang iyong pagmamahal. Kaya pasasalamat sa iyo'y aking iaalay. Awit ng puso ko, ang alay ko sa'yo, upang luwalhatiin ang banal na ngalan mo. Pupurihin kita, pasasalamatan sa iyong kagandahang loob na magpakailanman. Pangarap ng puso ay makasama ka sa paraiso mo, nasa dalganda. Doon ang ligaya ay walang hanggan. Aking mga luha ay hahalin ng tuwa. Awit ng puso ko, ang alay ko sa'yo, upang luwalhatiin ang banal na ngalan mo. Pupurihin kita, pasasalamatan sa iyong kagandahang loob na magpakailanman. Ang lahat ng karangalan, ang lahat ng kapurihan, ang lahat ng kadakilaan, tanging sa'yo lang